How to play with different Roblox accounts at the same time. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time. So make sure you stick around till the end. Alright, so the trick here is to use two different versions of Roblox. One is the desktop version and the other is the Microsoft Store version. You can normally run two Roblox windows using the same version, but this method works perfectly. First, open your Start menu. Here, search for Roblox. Now, depending on what shows up, you'll know which version you already have. If it says something like Roblox Player or gives you an Open File Location option, that's the desktop version. But if it just says Roblox with something like App Settings underneath it, then that's the Microsoft Store version. Knowing which one you already have helps because now you need to install the version you're missing. If you need the desktop version, it's super simple. Just head over to roblox.com. Log in with one of your accounts and click on any game. When you hit the play button, it'll prompt you to download the Roblox installer. Go ahead and download it. Then double-click the file once it's ready. Give it permission if it asks, and it'll install in a few seconds. After that, sign in with one of your accounts. And boom, you've got the desktop version set up. Now, for the Microsoft Store version, just open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the search bar, type Roblox. Hit Install. Once that finishes, open it up. Hit Sign In and log in with your second Roblox account. And now you've got both versions ready to go, one for each account. Here's the fun part. Open both apps, you'll now be able to run two instances of Roblox at the same time. You can click and drag the windows to arrange them side by side, or however you like. And you can start playing on both accounts at once. It's actually way easier than people think, and it works really smoothly if your PC can handle it. So now you've got a few different ways to play Roblox with two accounts at the same time, either with two versions on one computer or using two different devices. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple Roblox guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.